harvest over the moon to prepare us a dwelling place in the sweet by and by. We shall sit on the beautiful shore in the sweet by and by. We shall meet on the beautiful shore. We shall sing on the beautiful shore the melodious songs of the praise and so spiritual sorrow no more. Don't you sign the blessing of rest in the sea.